Yeah, you hit everything spot on. Obviously, a ton of things, huge restrictions. So we
Yeah.
knew that we were up against, a pretty big hill, anyways. But as us public adjusters, we saw the damage there. Now, how can we improve it? So
Right.
we went in and we did our normal investigation. We compiled an awesome public adjuster report, sent in all of our
Right.
findings. They came back. They actually opened coverage on some other items that we didn't have before, which was a huge win. We got an increase in the claim, and then we got another reinspection done. Then we looked at some other items that they opened coverage on. We were still nowhere near to where we needed to be, but the fact that they opened coverage on these items
Right.
was a
Which
huge
was
win.
our goal.
Absolutely. So we increased the claim again, and then we're kind of at this point where it was almost a standstill. It's like, okay, we have hit every single door, that is physically possible. Keep in mind, we're just humans. We're gonna win the best way we can,
That's
but
right.
at some point, we're gonna have that conversation with our insureds, just like we did in the very beginning of, hey, if we get to this point, here are some other options.
Right.
And that's how we put all of our claims together.
Yeah.
If we decide, or if the insured decides, because again, every situation is different. If the insured decides to go litigation route, we've got a complete file that's been thoroughly documented. Obviously, the option is to go appraisal too, where we have those open coverages now to where it might make sense to go appraisal. So
Yeah.
again,
And that's a
oh,
big deal is you got the coverage open so then we could, because we knew it was going to be a fight. We
mhm.
already knew that based on the conversation we had with the adjuster and the reports that we had seen from the insurance company, as well as the coverage letter.